In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the settings in HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional to connect a domain, all in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a first-timer or looking to refresh your memory, this guide will provide you with all the necessary instructions to streamline your experience. We'll begin this journey by heading over to the trial guide on the HubSpot platform. Don't worry, the link to this is conveniently located in the description below. Once you're on the page, you'll see a layout that organizes everything you need for this process into easy-to-find sections. Now, the first step is to look for the Settings option on the page. It typically sits on the top bar of your interface, easy to spot. Give it a click, and this will open up a variety of options that let you customize your HubSpot experience. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Content section. Here, you're going to find plenty of options related to how you want to manage and structure your content. It's a key area for individuals who are diving deeper into the nuances of HubSpot. After clicking on Content, locate the Domains and URLs option. This section is crucial because it's where all things related to your web domains are managed. Clicking here prepares you to take control of your online identity and ensures all your domain-related settings are in perfect order. Finally, it's time to connect a domain. You'll find this option under Domains and URLs as well. By clicking on Connect a Domain, you open up the ability to add your desired domain to your HubSpot account. It's straightforward and involves following the prompts to ensure your domain is successfully linked. Each of these steps is integral to customizing your HubSpot environment to fit your unique needs better. Keep in mind the importance of each section as you move forward, as they work together to provide you a comprehensive platform. Additionally, a handy tip while following these steps is to double-check each URL or link you click. Since these are integral to directing you to the right spot within HubSpot, ensuring their accuracy can save you time and any potential troubleshooting down the line. And there we have it. You've successfully navigated through the crucial steps of managing your HubSpot settings and connecting a domain. This process not only enhances your usage, but also ensures you are fully utilizing the platform's capabilities. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and we hope it brings smooth sailing to your HubSpot journey. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more insightful guides. Until next time,